Okay, hey guys, we're going to continue talking about engineering ethics. Last week, you developed your own definition of engineering ethics based off the Code of Engineering Ethics that the National Society of Professional Engineers came up with. This week, we're going to go even deeper into that. On the left hand side, I have pictured Josef Mengele. He was a doctor that conducted experiments on Jewish twins during World War II in concentration camps for medical purposes. And then on the right, we talked last week about Jonas Salk. He invented the polio vaccine, but he also deliberately infected patients at mental hospitals to conduct research on the influenza virus. So we're going to look at, do the benefits of this research outweigh the rights of the individuals who were used in those experiments? We need to think about, are we doing good for people? Who's benefiting from what we're doing? Is the product being made ethically? How are we testing this product? And then is anybody hurting from this product? And more importantly, are we conducting illegal or unethical experimentation? And then even further, is the environment suffering because of our product? So if you think about the Keurig machines, those individual K cups that you can use to make one single serving of coffee, the inventor of those K cups, John Sylvan, says that he regrets ever making the invention of the K cup, that little pod, because he has said he never dreamed that these Keurig machines would be in people's homes. He invented them for office use to replace people's Starbucks runs. So he figured no more Starbucks cups, but now you're using these K cup pods. The trash would kind of offset each other. But really what happened is people bought them in their homes. And so now a ton of trash is being generated. And he regrets that he ever came up with this product. So who is the product really benefiting? Remember, on our list of Time Magazine's inventions, we had the Ringly that alerted the wearer to any texts or phone calls. So that was a product that benefits upper middle class, stylishly conscious women. The Coolest Cooler was meant to elevate your tailgating experience, and it was costing upwards of $400. But the Super Banana was benefiting the needy in Africa, the children, who were suffering blindness. So these are things that we can think about, and we can take that list of Time Magazine's inventions and we can kind of alter some of those designs to make them more ethical or make them more beneficial to people in society, and maybe less harmful to the environment or less harmful to people that could be negatively impacted. So your assignment this week is to look at that list of the inventions, choose one off of the list, and find a way to reimagine that product so that it is more ethical. Maybe it helps a different sector of the population. Maybe it's not, doesn't generate as much trash the way that you redesign it, but you're really going to think about it deeply. You're going to answer 9 questions about this product that you've reimagined. Here is an example of taking the Blue Room that was supposed to relax prisoners. That Blue Room idea has been modified by this student into being a place where people who are confined to a bed or confined to their home have a more peaceful or pleasant view from their window, I guess, or from their perspective. So you're going to go into, how are you modifying this design? What problem is your design solving? Who will you test your design on, and how will you test it? So, you need to think about that, the ethics of testing. And then there are about 6 other questions you're going to go into and really think deeply. Who's going to be hurt by your design? What are the details of the design? So you're going to get the document out of Canvas, answer all the questions. You can even draw and then take a picture of your sketch, or you can just describe in words your design. Let me know if you have any questions.